you're seeing this increase of accessible data in such a way that companies are going, well, now that we have all this in one place, now that we can sort of interrogate this data set with questions we might have, how can we do that better, right? And for so long, the industry was working sort of on a much higher level. We've talked about this numerous times, but where you have it where what's the trend of that portfolio? Are the premiums kind of going up, and is that book generally profitable, barring
Yep.
catastrophe events or similar? But now they're able to look at it going, well, we can actually drill into granular policyholder detail. We can group that together and do different things with it. But now, because I have all this data at my disposal that I've never had before, I really want to do more with it. And they look around and there's no one helping them do more with it. And it's an opportunity for these companies to begin to pop up going, oh, we specialize in helping you get X insights out of that sort of data, or aggregate that data in such a way that you can compare it year over year, or present it in a way that you can share with your counterparties more effectively and let them ingest it into tools that they might want to price on, or like all these things are emerging organically out of the back of getting the data into sort of a more digestible place, which I think took us a long time to get to from your earlier comments about the cloud and everything else, which is spot on.